Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with SAML SSO for dealership EV portals, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with SAML SSO for dealership EV portals, start by ensuring you have the necessary credentials for your identity provider. Next, log in to your identity provider's administrative console. In the console, locate the section for configuring or managing applications. Select the option to add a new application. When prompted, choose the SAML 2.0 configuration type. Input the required information for your dealership EV portal. This typically includes the application name and any description needed for reference. Next, you will need to configure the SAML settings. Enter the assertion consumer service URL provided by your EV portal. This URL is where the identity provider will send SAML assertions after successful authentication. Set the entity ID for your dealership EV portal. This ID should match what is configured in your EV portal settings. Next, specify the attributes to include in the SAML assertion. Common attributes include user ID, email, and role. Make sure to enable the option for signing the SAML assertion. This enhances the security of your authentication process. After all settings are saved, note the SSO URL and the certificate for your identity provider. Now, navigate to your dealership EV portal's administration console. Find the section for SSO or SAML configuration. Input the SSO URL and any other required details for your identity provider. Upload the public certificate you obtained from the identity provider. Save your settings and review for any errors or omissions. To test the setup, attempt to log in through the SSO option on the dealership EV portal. If all settings are correct, authentication should be successful, redirecting you to the EV portal. If you encounter any issues, verify the configurations in both the identity provider and the EV portal. Pay close attention to attribute mappings and endpoint URLs. Once authenticated, explore the features available within the dealership EV portal. This SAML SSO setup streamlines user access and enhances security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.